Is this Pakistani player a lookalike of Virat Kohli? Well, I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad, Shoaib Akhtar reveals the toughest batsman he has bowled to, and trust me, this is a very surprising answer. So stay tuned to today's video to find out who that is. Aur sabse ant mein, the universe boss Chris Gayle reveals why ICC has a problem probably with him using that sticker on his bat. Iska kya kissa hai? Well, to find out, let's take a look at what's making news in the world of cricket only in today's episode of News Tracker. Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and keeping safe. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. But before I begin this video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, you're missing out on a lot, so hit that button quickly. And without wasting time, let's begin today's video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. He's all of 25 years old and has played 2 ODIs for Pakistan, but Saud Shakeel is already making a lot of noise. Now, if you're wondering if it's because of his performances, well, let me correct you there. It's not because of that. It's for the fact that many people feel, especially netizens feel, that Shakeel is look-alike of Indian skipper Virat Kohli. That's right. Now, a lot of people on social media, are discussing this and also took to Twitter to share their opinions. And a lot of, in that particular post that people were sharing, they were really comparing both these players. And some of the posts also stated that Pakistan has now found its very own Virat Kohli, while another posted a picture of Shakeel and tweeted that Kohli has come to rescue the Pakistan side. What do you all think about, more than the post, do you also agree that both of them, look alike? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. When you think of a tear-away fast bowler during his time, who of course instilled fear in the minds of many players, has to be Shoaib Akhtar. Now, on many occasions, of course, he was asked as to who he struggled, against, like a batsman when he was bowling. And many probably would think that he would give answers such as Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara, or even Ricky Ponting for that matter. But Shoaib has gone on to say that it was Muttiah Muralitharan that he struggled the most against while bowling. And why did Shoaib say that? Well, let's find out. Now, Shoaib said, Muttiah Muralitharan is the toughest batsman I have bowled to. I'm not even kidding. He requested me not to kill him and told me that he will die if I hit him with a bouncer. He said, please pitch the ball up and I will give you the wicket away. Whenever I pitched the ball up, he just used to slash hard and used to tell me that he hit it by mistake. What do you all think about this? And do you recall any encounter where, of course, Akhtar was bowling to Muralitharan and you did see this kind of thing happen between the two? Definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Whenever a cricketer goes through a rough patch, of course, he's looking to make that comeback because it's, of course, not an ideal phase of his career. Now, one cricketer, of course, who was questioned about his has to be West Indian cricketer Chris Gayle, but he of course came back in full swing and shut down everybody who was questioning his form. This was during the 3rd T20I against Australia, where he not only performed exceptionally well but also got a match-winning half century. Now, one thing about Chris Gayle has to be his larger-than-life personality, which is why he used to call himself, or rather still calls himself, the universal boss. And there was a particular sticker on his bat. Now, this did not say the universe boss but said just the boss. So, a cricket portal called cricket.com.au, in a video posted by them, he was asked about this and Gayle said, ICC don't want me to use the universe boss, so I have shortened and just put the boss. I am the boss. On being asked whether ICC has the copyright over the term universe boss, an animated Gayle said, well, I have to copyright it, not ICC. I'm technically the boss. Now, that of course shows the flamboyant spirit that Chris Gayle is known to have, which is why he's saying probably, no matter what, one word that still stands true is the boss, which can be, of course, associated with Gayle. But tell me this, how happy are you to see Chris Gayle back in form, his performance? Now, also with something crucial coming up, whether we're talking about the Caribbean Premier League for him or even the IPL, or right after that, of course, the T20 World Cup. So much is going to be happening in the next couple of months. So for him to come out of this rough patch and perform the way he is right now, what are you all expecting from the universal boss? Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, that's all I have for you in this edition of the News Tracker. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because over there we have some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss it. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until I see you next time, like I always say, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and most importantly, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye.